Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Career Chats with RK. So in this video we are going to see what is where clause in SQL and how we use where clause in our SQL queries. Okay. So first take a look what where clause actually does in SQL. So the where clause is used to filter records. Okay. Whatever data we have present in our tables, the where clause is used to filter that data with the some condition. It is used to extract only those records that fulfill a specified condition. With the where clause, we use some specified condition, and where clause identifies that condition, and if the condition is true, it will get the desired outputs from the table. Okay. So we will see one syntax how we can use a where condition. So first we use select keyword or select command, then our column names, whatever column names you want to select from the table name. Okay, from whatever table name you want to take, and then we use where condition. When we use where condition, after table name select table, after the selecting table, then we use where condition in the SQL. So we will take one example, so it will helpful for you to understand. So suppose I have one table that I have already created. If you want to create this table, I have already created it in my previous video. Go and watch that video and create this table, so it will helpful for you. So as you can see, I have created this table, career chats with RK, and in this table I have employee ID, employee name, last name and city. So when I use star, so it will give me the all records from the table. And when I use suppose any specific column name, that is employee name, so it will gives me all the employee names from the table. Okay, but I don't want like that. I want only those employee whose name is RK. So at that time what I can do in SQL, so you can use where condition at that time. Okay, you want to fetch any desired output or you want to take any specific data from your table, so at that time you use where condition. So I want employee name is equal to RK and complete with this semicolon, and I will execute this query. Okay, so as you can see, what where clause does, where clause gives us only that data whose employee name is RK. Okay, so as you can see, both the employee names are RK, and we have selected where in the where clause employee name column. Okay, so this is the important use of where clause. I will again show you one example. Suppose I want those employee IDs whose employee name, I will first show you all the table. So this is our complete table, and from this table I want only those employees whose employee ID is 3. Okay, so suppose I want only those employee whose employee ID is 3, or I will select another example. I want those employees who lives in Mumbai. Okay, so I will select star from career chats with RK, where city is equal to, I want the employees who lives in Mumbai, so city is equal to Mumbai, and I will execute this query. So as you can see, we will get those records. The employees are lives in Mumbai. Okay, so the CS and RK, these two employees are lives in Mumbai. So this is the use of where clause in SQL. And take a note, the where clause is not only used in select statement, we also use the where clause in update and delete statements. So we will see it one by one in our upcoming videos. So that's it for this video. I hope you like this video. If you like, please do like and subscribe. and thank you guys.